of factory-direct engine oil and petrochemical products brokers. I'm your host, Blessed Naladeseme. If you're looking to learn about top quality and choice and petrochemical products straight from the factory to your business, you are in the right place. In this episode, we will talk about.
Hello, everybody, and thanks for joining us today for today's NGA broadcast. Today, we'll discuss how you can get a transfer food directly from manufacturer, e-transfer food manufacturer, and exporter. Don't forget to like and share this NGA podcast, and if you're listening to us, and in case you want to get a code, MOQ, email says at FOBLAH.com to get a code. Each transfer food manufacturer for bulk supply, private label supply, OEM, and SPA. This is where each food importers moving 10 plus containers per month. The parity is API certified. Facilities manufactured to meet ISO 9001 quality management systems with formulations able to meet DIN 51522, each transfer food standard, ISO C7 4312, Family Q, e-transfer lead, ASTM C743 thermal stability performance, ASTM D92 flashpoint, ASTM D445 kinematic viscosity, ASTM D97 pour point, and OEM equipment manufacturer requirements where applicable and reliable supply. We manufacture e-transfer fluid through a vetted manufacturing partners across Turkey, China, the United Arab Emirates, the United States, Brazil, Egypt, and Australia, ensuring consistent export capacity and regional production efficiency, so you can get up to 10 plus containers per month with a 12 to 24 month supply agreement. E-transfer fluid manufacturing, industrial e-transfer fluid, Tamiflu, synthetic e-transfer fluid, biodegradable thermal fluid, food grade e-transfer oil, high temperature synthetic fluid, low temperature thermal oil, non-toxic e-transfer fluid, corrosion inhibition inhibitor thermal fluid, pharmaceutical e-transfer fluid, chemical plant thermal oil, food processing e-transfer fluid, HVAC thermal fluid, solid thermal fluid, textile industry eating oil, OEM thermal transfer oil, e-transfer oil, glycol e-transfer fluid, mineral oil thermal transfer fluid, silicon e-transfer fluid. You can email us at APOBLAH.com to get any of this type of thermal fluid from us. OEM private label and blended e-transfer food manufacturing. We are not just producing standard e-transfer food, we build your e-transfer food. Our vetted e-transfer food manufacturing partners are industrial scale manufacturers designed for long-term contracts. So we do OEM e-transfer food manufacturing, private label e-transfer food manufacturing, white label e-transfer food manufacturing, private label e-transfer food manufacturing, and blended e-transfer food manufacturing. Email us at apoblah.com to get a code from us. Thermal standards are e-transfer fluid meet DIN 51522 e-transfer fluid standard, ISO 67481 Family Q classification, ASTM D6743 thermal stability, ASTM D92 flashpoint, ASTM D445 viscosity testing, ASTM D97 pour point testing. Packaging and e-transfer food expert options are available e-transfer food packaging formats 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter, 25 liter, 2 or 8 liter drams, 1000 liter, high basic tanks, and flexi tanks book supply. Email says at apoblah.com to get a model supply code from Appleby. Bed samples and other process to show quality before full commitment. Confirm that you want us to the food container e-transfer fluid container order to proceed with PET e-transfer fluid samples. PET samples align with your final 20-foot container order. Email us at apoblah.com to get a monthly supply code. Payment terms for each transfer manufacturing: 50% deposit payment, 50% before loading. No letter of credit known as 15, 30, 60, 90 times. If your company cannot meet the payment terms, please do not request a code. And if you commit to make payment terms 50%, deposit and 50% for loading, kindly email us at epobleh.com to get more to supply goods from Apple Play. If you love you and leave you, see you next week. Bye.
Thanks for listening to the Apple Play, also Factory to Red and Joy and Petrochemical Products podcast. Don't forget to go to www.appleplay.com to get wholesale Factory to Red and Joys and Petrochemical Products. And I will talk to you next week. I will love you and leave you. See you next week.